Alright, I finally got all of my 2021 Peace and Morgan dollars. Should I send these in to get graded? Should I keep them? Should I unbox them? What should I do? Thank you so much for watching my video. I do sincerely appreciate it. This one here is about the 2021 Peace and Morgan dollars, and I have all of mine here. So I have at least 3 of every single one of those coins. Now, the question is, what am I going to do with them? What should you do with them if you're getting your packages now? And before I open up any of these, I just want to say out the gate, I'm not going to be doing an unboxing in this video. And some of you probably already know why. Some of you maybe have no idea, but I will explain. There's a method to my madness. And the reason is not because I hate unboxing videos. In fact, there's been a ton of really good unboxings already on YouTube showing off all of the beautiful new coins. And to everyone who's made an unboxing video, thank you. I've watched a ton of them and I've really thoroughly enjoyed them. But the reason I'm not unboxing mine is because I want to send them in to get graded. And I want to get the First Strike Designation on all of the slabs. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, PCGS, see if we can get one here, has this really cool thing up the top. You got the American flag, and then it says First Strike. And this particular coin, the 2021 Type 2 American Silver Eagle, I did not send this in to be graded. I just bought it like this. And it's not worth a ton of money, but, you know, they're kind of cool. So I snagged one of them. But anyway, I want to get all of my Morgan dollars in capsules like this, and I want them all to say First Strike. Now, if you send in all of your coins within 30 days of the original release, you can get the First Strike Designation on the slabs. If you send them in 30 days after the release, you can't get the First Strike Designation unless they are in the original sealed mint box. In fact, you could wait 10 years and send them in. As long as they're in the original box, it hasn't been tampered with, you can still get First Strike. Now, I actually don't know if they're doing it by the ship date or when they actually got to you. I don't know when the 30 days starts with these because, as we know, the Morgan dollars and the Peace dollar, I mean, these came out, some of them like 3-4 months ago, right? And it's taken forever for them to get to us. So obviously it'd be way too late at that point, but I'm pretty sure they do it by the general ship date or something like that. I would call them up today, but they're closed. It's the weekend, and I'm posting this video tomorrow. So happy November, everyone. Hope you're doing good. It's November, and we finally got our coins, right? I mean, this is the most ridiculous release from the mint. But anyway, now could I unbox all of these coins, look at them, inspect them closely, and then send them in really quick, make sure it gets postmarked as soon as possible, and still get the First Strike Designation on all of them? Yes, I probably could do that. But I think it's kind of fun to just hope for the best. You know, are all of mine going to come back a 70, which that is the highest grade possible? I don't know. In fact, I can almost guarantee they won't. There's going to be a lot of 69s, maybe a 68 in there. I don't know what the grades are going to be, but to me, it's fun to send them all in, hope for the best grade, and then when you see the grades, it's exciting to look through them. Okay, how many of them got perfect? And of course, I want to get at least one of each in perfect condition to keep for myself. I want to keep them forever, pass them down to my kids. In fact, I might keep a few sets to pass down to my kids. I'm not exactly sure. I really like collecting these sort of modern bullion things when they come out. In fact, the last 2 years, I've sent big batches of coins off to the mint at the end of the year to get graded, and so I'm following up with my tradition this year. Last year was actually kind of brutal. I think it took like 3 or 4 months to get everything back, but I'm a glutton for punishment, so I'm going to do it again this year. Now, real quick, I just want to say, I know the CC Morgan dollars were going for like $600 a few months ago. Now they're going for like $200 for that little CC privy mark. Obviously, if you get them graded, then you could make more than $200. You could still make $400 or $500 if you get a perfect grade. I have no idea where the market is going to go for these coins. It could crash. It could kind of settle down for a bit and then go much higher in years to come. I don't know. But I do know that what I'm going to do is send mine in to get graded. And if you want to make the most money possible, that is to get a perfect grade. So it's a little bit of a gamble. I know it's not for everyone. Some people like the original packaging. They don't like the slabs. Maybe they don't like the PCGS slabs. They don't like the NGC slabs. Those are really the two companies you should go with if you do want to get your coins graded. They're the biggest, most reputable. Don't go with anyone else. Just go NGC or PCGS. And maybe you actually don't care about the First Strike designation. Maybe you don't even like that. That's fine. That's just what I like. I'm a collector, and that's how I want it. But if you want to send in your coins to PCGS to get graded, I have made a video showing off exactly how to do that. I'll put a link up in the corner as well as a link down below in the description. Definitely watch that video. It'll give you all the information you need to send in your coins to get graded. Now, to round out this video and bring it all home, I'm not unboxing mine because I want to get First Strike on all of the slabs, and I don't like having the pressure of having to ship them out really quick. I like to take my time, go through some of my other coins, see what else I want to get graded, because I like to send everything off in one big batch. You got to send it registered mail, and it's expensive to ship it, and I don't want to ship off a ton of packages. So I'm definitely going to send in my Wolverine coin. This is the Mule, so it has the 2018, and it's supposed to be 2021 here on the obverse. So it's got the wrong date. It is an error. I'm going to send that one in, I know, to get graded. Hopefully that gets a good grade. I'm also going to send in my Krugerrand from 2017. There's some stuff on the capsule, but it looks pretty good condition. These are pretty rare because this came out a year before all of the Bullion Krugerrands came out. It's a special release, limited mintage. And then I have some Morgan dollars and peace dollars and stuff I'm going to send in as well. I don't know what the grades are going to be on those. You know, hopefully it's at least MS62 or higher. I would hate to get like AU or something. But anyway, I like to go through my stuff, figure out what else I want to send off to be graded. I don't like the pressure of having to send everything off really quick. So I just leave everything in the original box. And again, I know they might be damaged. They might be milk spotted, scratched, whatever. They could get a terrible grade, but that's okay. I still think it's fun to wait and see what grades I do end up getting. You know, when you see those 70s come back, it's like, yes, I just won the lottery or something like that. Now, the last thing I want to ask in this video is, what are you doing with your coins? Are you going to open them right away, check them out, then send them in to get graded? Are you going to just send them off in the original box like I do? I know everyone's got their own strategy. Are you trying to sell your coins, or do you just want to keep them for yourself? I'm curious. Feel free to leave a comment down below in the comment section. And I do want to say a massive thank you so much for watching my video, and I'll see you all in the next one. Silver Dragons out.